stunning day out. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, look at the roof of that bus. What an absolute mess. I haven't touched it all winter, and come springtime, got a little bit of stuff to clean up on it. That's right, we'll get stuck into that. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, what's this? Need to get that magically onto there. Alright, that's all on there. Put the ladder up on the bus. Let's get out some cleaning gear and give the roof a quick scrub. That's looking one hell of a lot better. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, let's let it dry, go and have a coffee, get some more dishes on, get some more washing on, keep the missus happy while she's at work, and then I can do some more bus work. Alright, so got some steel to start making the roof rack. If you guys are unfamiliar with what this stuff is, it's called Unistrut. Comes in 6 metre lengths. You get it from an electrical wholesaler, and it's used with a nut sort of a nut section and brackets, things like that. And so I'll be cutting this stuff up, putting it along there up on the roof racks, and that's what will be forming the basis of my racks. But I'm going to need something to cut this stuff with. Alright, so found something to cut my steel with. Now time to get sorted out, get some steel cut. That's that job done. Now I just got to get a file and clean the rest of these burrs up and be able to start drilling. So all these little brackets that I made up, what I've done is pre-drilled down the bus, a big blob of urethane where I'm going to drill, another big blob of urethane, get my screw, use my screw to line it up, set it down, and rattle it up. That is as solid as hell. Alright, so this here are all my brackets. All the brackets are on for the roof racks. So that concludes an entire day's worth of building. So you guys can see there the side rails are in place, mounted up on those brackets, and I've got a bar across there, mocked up, working out where things are going to go. So in this next clip here, I've got everything all set out, and it's all bolted up in place. I actually had a big storage issue, so I lost the footage of this all going together. But as you guys can see, I've got rails running all the way down both sides of the bus, and I've got my crossbars across. Everything's all bolted up, everything's all in place. Looks pretty good from down on the ground here, as you guys can see. And there's plenty of room, and look, the spiders have already set in. So it shows how long it's taken for me to actually get this video out to you guys, so I really thank you for your patience. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See ya.